Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is there anything worse than that feeling? You wake up, your throat feels like sandpaper, your head is pounding, and you've got that tickle in your chest that just won't quit. We've all been there, buried under a pile of blankets, feeling absolutely miserable with a cold. While rest is definitely key, what you eat can make a huge difference in how quickly you bounce back. Instead of just surviving on crackers and tea, let's talk about some delicious and powerful foods that can actually help soothe your symptoms and get you back on your feet. Today, we're diving into 7 amazing foods that are your best friends when you're fighting off a cold, a nasty cough, or a sore throat. These aren't just old wives' tales. There's real science behind why these pantry staples work. So, grab a cozy blanket, and let's get into it. First up, a classic for a reason: chicken soup. It's not just a comfort food hug in a bowl, it's packed with benefits. The warm broth helps to hydrate you, which is crucial when you're sick. Dehydration can make mucus thicker and more irritating, so sipping on soup is a great way to thin it out. Plus, the steam from the hot soup can help to open up your nasal passages, providing some much-needed relief from congestion. But the magic doesn't stop there. Chicken itself contains an amino acid called cysteine, which has been shown to help thin mucus in the lungs. And when you load up your soup with vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, you're getting a powerful dose of vitamins and antioxidants that support your immune system. It's a complete, nourishing meal that's easy to digest and genuinely helps your body fight off the infection. So next time you're feeling under the weather, a big bowl of homemade chicken soup is one of the best things you can have. Next on our list is something sweet and golden: honey. This natural sweetener is a powerhouse when it comes to soothing a sore throat and quieting a cough. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. When it coats your throat, it creates a soothing film that can reduce irritation and that raw, scratchy feeling. In fact, some studies have shown that honey can be just as effective as over-the-counter cough suppressants, especially for children over the age of 1. Remember, never give honey to infants under 1-year-old due to the risk of botulism. A simple spoonful of honey on its own can work wonders, or you can stir it into a warm cup of herbal tea with a squeeze of lemon. This combination not only soothes your throat, but also gives you a nice boost of vitamin C. It's a simple, delicious, and effective remedy that you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's move on to number 3. Ginger. This spicy root has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Ginger is a fantastic natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help reduce the swelling and pain in a sore, inflamed throat. It also has properties that can help fight off the viruses that cause colds in the first place. Feeling nauseous along with your cold? Ginger is famous for its ability to settle an upset stomach. My favorite way to use it is by making a fresh ginger tea. Just slice up a few pieces of fresh ginger root, pour boiling water over them, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. You can add a little honey and lemon for extra soothing power and flavor. The warm, spicy drink is incredibly comforting and helps to clear up congestion. You can also add grated ginger to your soups or stir-fries for an extra immune-boosting kick. Coming in at number 4 are citrus fruits. Think oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. When you're sick, you've probably heard people say, make sure you get enough vitamin C, and citrus fruits are the most famous source. While vitamin C might not prevent a cold outright, research suggests it can help shorten the duration of your illness and reduce the severity of your symptoms. Your immune system needs vitamin C to function properly, and during an infection, your body's demand for it increases. Beyond vitamin C, citrus fruits also contain flavonoids, which are compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. A simple glass of freshly squeezed orange juice is great, but eating the whole fruit is even better because you also get the fiber. And a squeeze of lemon in your warm water or tea not only adds flavor, but also helps to break up mucus and soothe your throat. Our 5th food for fighting colds is garlic. Now I know what you're thinking. And yes, it might not be great for your breath, but it's fantastic for your immune system. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Essentially, it helps your body fight off germs. To get the most benefit, it's best to consume garlic raw. I know, that sounds intense, But you can crush or chop a clove and let it sit for a few minutes to activate the allicin, then mix it into a spoonful of honey or add it to a salad dressing. If raw garlic is just too much for you, adding a generous amount to your cooking, like in that chicken soup we talked about, is still beneficial. It might be pungent, but incorporating more garlic into your diet when you feel a cold coming on can give your immune system the extra firepower it needs to fight back. Next up, at number 6, we have yogurt. Specifically, yogurt with live and active cultures, also known as probiotics. A large portion of your immune system is actually located in your gut. The healthy bacteria in probiotic yogurt help to support a balanced gut microbiome, which in turn strengthens your immune response. When your gut is healthy, your body is better equipped to fight off invading pathogens, like cold viruses. Plus, yogurt is soft and cool, which can feel incredibly soothing on a raw, sore throat. It's also a good source of protein, which is important for energy and recovery when you're not feeling well. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid excess sugar, and you can add some honey or fresh berries for natural sweetness and an extra antioxidant boost. It's a gentle, nourishing food that supports your body from the inside out. And finally, our 7th food is oatmeal. When you're sick, sometimes you just want something warm, simple, and comforting. A warm bowl of oatmeal fits the bill perfectly, but it's more than just comfort food. Oats are packed with nutrients that can help you recover. They contain a specific type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to enhance the activity of immune cells, helping them to find and eliminate viruses more effectively. Oats are also a good source of minerals like zinc and selenium, which play a crucial role in immune function. And just like soup, a warm bowl of oatmeal is hydrating and easy on a sore throat. You can customize it with other healing foods from our list, like a swirl of honey, a sprinkle of ginger, or some sliced citrus fruit on top. It's a filling, nutritious, and immune-boosting breakfast that will help you start your day right, even when you're feeling your worst. So there you have it. 7 powerful and delicious foods to help you feel better when you're battling a cold, cough, or sore throat. From the classic comfort of chicken soup and oatmeal to the potent power of garlic and ginger, your kitchen is full of natural remedies. Remember to combine these foods with plenty of rest and hydration to give your body the best chance to recover quickly. Food is medicine, and nourishing your body is one of the kindest things you can do for yourself when you're unwell. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these tips help you the next time you're feeling under the weather. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your go-to sick day food is. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future wellness tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.